In this video, we're going to unbox this camera. So it's the ubiquiti G5. So let's change the camera so the way you can see it. Okay, now we have a good grip of the camera. So this is the G5, as you can see. This is the bullet. So it's made by Ubiquiti. This is the cheapest one that you can get, at least as you can see. It's pretty new, made in Vietnam, and you're going to need a few other things in order to make it work. So if you have a iCloud Plus or something like that, you're going to make it work like this. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to record anything. So basically, I have this product. This is going to be like the NVR or DVR for this type of product. So let's do the unboxing. So you pull it like this. This product is premium, so it looks very nice. You take it like that. It's like the Apple from the cameras, for the cameras. There we go. Take this out of the box. Inside it comes with a small manual. So if you want to use it or not, usually there is no manual. Usually it's just the bare instructions just to put it on the wall. So basically it comes like that, like you see here. So it comes the 3 pieces. I like it the way it comes with this, so that way you know how to hook it up on the wall. So basically you have this. Here you're going to connect the Ethernet cable. So you just plug this here, and that's it. Once you have that, you're going to use this. So basically this goes, the lower part that you see here, this goes where you have this hole over there. You put it like that, twist it, and that's it. So, and you keep it like that. And then you have this. So if you want to rotate the camera, you do it from here. So that way you have, you know, the right space, the right position, and then you are going to have this. So this goes here, and you will have to run the cable over here, and you are going to use these holes just to mount it on the wall. So you have to screw it like that, and then you have the metal part. So let's say if you want to put it on a pole or something like that, you put it just like that, and then you run the straps here and here, and that's it. So like the camera will stay like that. Also here inside you have the rubber seal and the screws. So these are the anchors. There you're going to put here on the wall. I'm going to put them like this so that way I don't lose them. And here it comes the screws I was talking about. So basically this goes in the wall, and these screws you have to run them through these. So basically it goes like this. So I just put it like that, just so that way I don't lose them. But it goes like this. So you put the screws here, here, and here. Put it like that. You keep it together, and then with the strap, you know, you're going to keep it in place. Otherwise, if you're going to mount it directly in the wall, you just put it against the wall like this, and then you're going to use the screws that you see here and here, and that's it. So you put it like that, you screw it in, put it the way you want it, and that's it. And that is how this camera works. I'm going to leave in the video description the URL or the link. So if you want to buy it yourself, if you are outside of the United States, you want to send it to you, I can do that as well. Just let me know. I can send it to you via DHL, FedEx, or however you want me to send it to you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.